Hello friends, today we are going to make two beautiful beaded earrings. For that we need 4 seed beads in golden color, 4 disc shaped beads in red color, 2 bigger sized cube beads, 2 head pins and 2 fish hooks in golden color. We will also need a wire cutter, a flat nose pliers and a round nose pliers. Firstly, we will need one head pin. The head pin has one flat base, so it is very much essential for earring making. Now, I will take one seed bead and pass through this head pin. Here it is. Now one flat disc shaped bead. Now the cube bead. Now again one disc bead and one seed bead at last. So here our earring will be like this. I will bend the upper surface like this. Now I will cut the extra wire with the wire cutter. Now with the round nose plier I will give this eye shape. Like this. Now our one earring is almost ready. We need to attach the hook only. For this I will take the fish hook and I will open the fish hook with the flat nose plier. Here I open the fish hook. I will pass this eye through this fish hook and will close the fish hook with flat nose pliers. So our one earring is ready. Similarly, I will make another earring. So here our two earrings are ready. If you want to know from where I get these earring supplies and these beads, these all are from beadsobling.com. For this project we will need 2 onyx beads in blue color, 2 bug shaped earring findings, 2 eye pins. I have taken 2 head pins. As I don't have eye pins, I will show you how to make eye pins from these head pins. We will also need 2 fish hooks, 1 wire cutter, 1 round nose pliers and 1 flat nose pliers. I have taken 1 head pin and I will make eye pin from this head pin. So I will cut the flat base of one side from this head pin with the wire cutter. Now I will bend this in this fashion. Now with the round nose plier I will make the eye pin shape like this. So the eye is weighted and here it is eye pin. I will open the eye pin with the flat nose pliers like this and I will pass the bug shaped earring finding through this eye and I will close the eye again with the flat nose pliers. So here it is. Now I will pass through 1 onyx bead through it and I will bend the above like this. Now I will cut the excess with wire cutter. Here I will make one another eye shaped surface. So here the eye shape is ready. Now we'll pass through our fish hook with it and attach the fish hook like this and close the mouth like this. So our one earring is ready. Similarly, I have made another earring. So these are very beautiful earrings with semi-precious onyx beads. You can wear it daily and you can make them easily in your home in just 2 minutes.